Hello everyone, it's Dan here from Thomas Road Support. In this video I'm going to take you through how to use the theme options within Peter for WordPress. So to access the theme options, we simply hit the customize link in the admin bar, or if you're in your dashboard you can go to appearance and customize there. And once you're in, you'll see a few options. Some of them are default to WordPress and a few of them are our own little extras we've added. We'll go through these one by one so you can get an idea of what they all do. So at the top here you'll see the update settings. Now this is somewhere where you can supply your Envato username and API key, and this will allow you to easily get updates should they be released. For details on how to do that, just click the link here and there's a specific video for that job. Next up we've got the site ID area. Now this is where you can specify your own custom logo, or if you don't just want to use text like we've got here by default, you can choose your own site title and tagline, and of course you can choose your own favicon or site icon as they call it here. Next up we've got the colours area. Now this one is quite good to play with. You've got quite a few options here to play with. We can change things like the body text, we can change the colour of the light text as you want. Pretty much everything can be styled as you wish. As you can see there, it all takes place. So even if you wanted to change, say, this overlay colour that's used in the menu and portfolio items, you can either specify, say, one flat colour if you wanted to, like you see here and here, or you can give yourself a bit of flair and have a nice gradient of two colours, as you can see. Now obviously the colours you choose are completely up to you. I've just chosen something random for the sake of this video. Moving on, you can choose to have a background image for the site if you want. Next up we can use the menus here to create your own custom menus for either the footer or the main navigation here. Personally I prefer to use the dedicated page, which you'll find just under appearance and menus here, but that's up to you. Next up we've got the widget area. Now this particular area isn't needed for this theme, it isn't widgetized at this stage, so this is something we may wish to add if we get feedback asking for it. Next up we've got the homepage settings. Now this is where you can either choose to have your site be like a blog where it shows the latest post on the home, or as we've set it up for the demo, you can choose it to have a specific static page with a dedicated area for your blog separately. Next up we've got the additional CSS area, so if you're a bit of a developer and want to style things to your needs, you can do so there. And here we've got the typography area. This is very simple. You can simply specify a new font that's used in the theme, so whereas the default font is Muley, you can, for instance, change this to any Google font name you want. I've just changed it to Lobster, which I wouldn't suggest you do. It's an awful font, but that's up to you. We just simply give you the option to do so. I'll put that back though, because that's horrible. Okay. Next up we've got the post settings. So let's just show you, if we open up the archive to begin with. So here you can change the subtitle and main title. So here I've just put howdy and hello, and if we go into a single post, you've also got a few options here as well. So in single post options you can choose whether or not to display the meta details. As you can see there, they're vanished, or if you don't want the image, the featured image, to show at the top of the post, you can remove that as well. And also if you want to hide the next and previous post navigation links, you can get rid of that here as well. Moving on, if we go to the portfolio settings, I'll just load up the portfolio items. So again we've got the area where you can specify the title and subtitle for the archive. Within each portfolio you can also choose to hide or show the next and previous project links. And then finally we've got the footer settings. Here you can specify the footer message that appears in the copyright area, as well as hide or show the back to top link. And that's it. I hope this video has been useful. If you do have any questions, come and see me over at support. Other than that, have fun with the theme.